Good evening, my fellow Americans. I have asked for this television time tonight to report to you on our most difficult and urgent problem, the war in Vietnam. Since I took office, nothing has taken so much of my time and energy as the search for a way to bring lasting peace to Vietnam. I know that some believe that I should have ended the war immediately after the inauguration by simply ordering our forces home from Vietnam. This would have been an easy thing to do. It might have been a popular thing to do. But I would betray my solemn responsibility as President of the United States if I had done so. I want to end this war. The American people want to end this war. The people of South Vietnam want to end this war. But we want to end it permanently, so that the younger brothers of our soldiers in Vietnam will not have to fight in the future in another Vietnam someplace else in the world. The fact that there is no easy way to end the war does not mean that we have no choice but to let the war drag on with no end in sight. For 4 years, American boys have been fighting and dying in Vietnam. For 12 months, our negotiators have been talking with the other side in Paris. And yet the fighting goes on, the destruction continues, brave men still die. The time has come for some new initiatives. Repeating the old formulas and the tired rhetoric of the past is not enough. When Americans are risking their lives, it is the responsibility of their leaders to take some risks for peace. Some of the things we have been doing in the past. True peace. Then, I would like to make some concrete proposals to speed that up. Our first step began before inauguration. This was to launch an intensive review of every aspect of the nation's Vietnam. We accepted nothing on faith. We challenged every assumption and every statistic. We made a systematic, serious examination of all the alternatives. We carefully considered recommendations offered by critics and supporters of past actions. From the review, it became clear that once the administration faced a set of immediate operations, the other side turning offensive. There was a wide gulf of distrust from Washington side. In 8 months of talks, there had been no negotiations direct consent with the final settlement. And therefore, we moved on several fronts at once. We frustrated the attack which was launched in late February. As a result, the North Vietnamese and the Viet Cong failed to achieve their military objectives. We restored a close working relationship with Saigon. And in the resulting atmosphere of mutual confidence, President Hu and his government have taken important initiatives in the search for settlement. We speeded up the strengthening of the South Vietnamese. I am glad to report to you, as a result, General Abrams told me on Monday that progress in the training program has been excellent, and that apart from many developments that may occur in the negotiations in Paris, South Vietnamese forces will be able to take over the fighting, not be commanded by as it exists today is far different from what it was 4 years ago or 10 years ago. One difference is that we no longer have the choice of non-people. We've crossed that bridge. There are now $500 million Americans in Vietnam and 35,000 Americans have lost the war. We can have honest debate about whether we should have entered the war. We can have honest debate about how the war has been conducted. The question today is what to do now that we are there. And against that background, let me discuss first what we have rejected and second, what we are prepared to accept. We have ruled out attempting to impose a purely military solution. We have or the acceptance and terrorist alternatives that amount to a disguised American defeat. When we assumed the burden of helping men in South Vietnam, millions of South Vietnamese men, women, and children placed their trust in us. To abandon them now would risk a massacre that would shock and dismay everyone in the world who values human life. Abandoning the South Vietnamese people, however, jeopardize more than lives in South Vietnam. It would threaten our long-term hopes for peace in the world. A great nation cannot remain on its pledges. A great nation must be worthy of trust. When it comes to maintaining prestige is not an empty word. I am not speaking of pride or cabal. They should have no voice in our policies. I speak rather of respect. That one nation has for another's integrity, defending its principles and meeting its obligations. If we simply abandon our causes these might not survive the damage that would be done to other nations' confidence in our reliability. Another reason for not withdrawing unilaterally stems from debates within the conflict world between those who argue for a policy of containment or confrontation of the United States and those who argue against it. If Hanoi was taking themselves even the United States has been engaged, it would greatly strengthen those leaders who scorn negotiation, who advocate aggression, and who minimize the risk confrontation with the United States. It would bring peace now, but it would enormously increase the danger of a bigger later. If we are to move success in hero negotiation, then we have to demonstrate at the point at which confrontation is being tested that confrontation with the United States is costly and unrewarded. Almost without exception, the leaders of non-communist states have told me that they would consider a one-sided American withdrawal to be a threat to the security of their own nation. In determining what choices will be acceptable, we have to understand our essential objective in Vietnam. What we want is very little, but very fundamental. We seek the opportunity for the South Vietnamese people to determine their own political future without outside interference. Let me put it plain. What the United States wants for South Vietnam is not the important thing. What North Vietnam wants for South Vietnam is not. What is important is what the people of South Vietnam want for South Vietnam. The United States has suffered over a million casualties in 4 wars in this century. Whatever faults we may have as a nation, we have asked nothing for ourselves in return. We have been generous to our foes, and have fought our foes as well as our friends with passive reconstruction. We are proud of this right, and we bring the same attitude in our search for settlement in Vietnam. In this spirit, let me be explicit about several points. We seek no basis in Vietnam. We seek no military time. We are willing to agree to neutrality for South Vietnam, if that is what the South Vietnamese people preach. We believe there is an opportunity for full participation in the political life of South Vietnam by all political governments that are prepared to do so without any support or intervention. We are prepared to accept any government in South Vietnam that results from the free choice of the South Vietnamese people. We have no intention of imposing any form of government on the people of South Vietnam, nor will we be a party to such coercion. We have no objection to reunification if that turns out to be what the people of South Vietnam and the people of North Vietnam want. We have a free choice of the people of peace. At this point, I would like to add a personal word based on many visits to South Vietnam over the past 5 years. This is a difficult war in America's history, fought against a ruthless enemy. I am proud of our men who have carried the terrible burden of this war with dignity and courage, despite the division and opposition to the war in the United States. History will record that never have America's fighting men fought more bravely for more unselfish goals than our men in Vietnam. It is our responsibility to see that they have not fought in vain. In pursuing our limited objective, We insist on no rigid diplomatic form. Peace could be achieved by a formal negotiated settlement. Peace could be achieved by an informal understanding, provided that the understanding is clear and that there were adequate assurances that it would be observed. Peace on paper is not as important as peace in fact. And so this brings us to the matter of the war that has raged for many years will require detailed negotiations and cannot be settled by a single stroke. What kind of a settlement will permit the South Vietnamese people to determine freely their own political future? Such a settlement will require the withdrawal of all non-South Vietnamese forces, including our own, from South Vietnam, and procedures for political choice that give each significant group in South Vietnam a real opportunity to participate in the political life of the nation. To implement these principles, I reaffirm now our willingness to withdraw our forces on a specified time. We ask only that North Vietnam withdraw its forces from South Vietnam, Cambodia, and Laos into North Vietnam, also in accordance with the timetable. We include Cambodia and Laos to ensure that these countries would not be used as basis for a renewed war. Our order provides for a simultaneous start and withdrawal by both sides, for agreement on a mutually acceptable timetable, and for the withdrawal to be accomplished quickly.